Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we're making marinated salmon in our air fryer. I love my air fryer, y'all. If you follow my blog, link below, you'll notice that I do a lot of recipes in my air fryer. It's allowed me to provide quick, easy, and healthy recipes for my family, especially times when I'm super duper busy. So today we're going to make a healthy recipe in our air fryer, and we're not going to use any oil. That's right. We're going to create a marinade, but we're not going to use any oil in that marinade. We're just going to use some soy sauce, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, and brown sugar. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to go ahead and cut our salmon into 4 equal pieces. As you can see, I've got that nice Atlantic salmon. And now we're going to make the marinade. First, we're going to start with Dijon mustard. Then a little bit of soy sauce, some minced garlic, and some brown sugar. And I've got a little mini whisk that I like to use to mix this all up. Whisk it real good. Then you are going to go ahead and add that salmon to a bag. You could actually use a regular dish if you like. I like to marinate my salmon in one of these nice storage bags. It makes it a lot easier to get the marinade over every single piece. So close your bag and just make sure that marinade gets all over the salmon, and then you put that in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. When it's done, you're going to go back to your air fryer. I like to use these little parchment sheet liners to, cover the air fryer bottom so my fish doesn't stick. Go ahead and place that on that parchment liner. We're going to close that basket and we're going to air fry on 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. Whenever it's done, it's going to look like this, nice and glistening. Oh, there's a close-up shot. You see how easily that just slides off of that parchment paper liner? It's so awesome. You might want to actually put some salad dressing on your salad, but you know, I just wanted y'all to show how cool this salmon was. And there you have it. Air fryer salmon. And there you have it. It's easy peasy for marinated air fryer salmon. All you need is a few simple ingredients, a little bit of time to marinate, and about a 12-minute cook time in a 400-degree Fahrenheit air fryer. The fish flakes easily and it is so delicious. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes, for air fryer recipes, Instant Pot recipes, Ninja Foodie recipes, or any other recipe that's quick, easy, and delicious. Thanks, and see you next time.